I'm sorry to hear that you feel ignored. It's important to remember that there can be various reasons why someone might not pay attention or respond to you in the way you expect. Here are a few possibilities to consider. 1. Lack of awareness. People might not notice you or realize that you're seeking their attention. They may be preoccupied with their own thoughts, tasks, or concerns. It doesn't necessarily mean they are intentionally ignoring you. 2. Distractions. In today's fast-paced world, people can be easily distracted by various things such as their smartphones, work, social media, or personal issues. These distractions can divert their attention and cause them to overlook your attempts to engage. 3. Communication style. Sometimes, the way we communicate can influence how others respond to us. If you're frequently interrupted, use a soft tone, or struggle to assert yourself, it may inadvertently lead to being ignored. Developing effective communication skills can help ensure your message is received. 4. Lack of shared interests. People tend to pay more attention to those with whom they share common interests or goals. If you're engaging with individuals who don't have a strong connection or interest in what you're discussing, they might appear disinterested or ignore you. 5. Misunderstandings or conflicts. Past misunderstandings, conflicts, or negative experiences with certain individuals could create an environment where they consciously or unconsciously choose to ignore you. Addressing and resolving any underlying issues can help improve the situation. It's important to note that while some reasons for feeling ignored might be within your control, others are not. Focus on building your self-confidence, developing effective communication skills, and surrounding yourself with people who appreciate and value you. If you're consistently feeling ignored or overlooked, consider talking to a trusted friend, family member, or a mental health professional who can provide support and guidance.